Akakiiko akakola ku by'okwerinda mu Paalamenti olunaku lwa leero katyaime era nga keesa abadduumira poliisi okuli Okoth Martin Ochola n'amwiririra Hassan Kasinje babeeko bye bayinonola ebigemagana ku by'okwerinda ebisereibe mu iwanga.
Revival of the 9-9 system and reorganization of the flying squad. The system has been reconstituted to provide a robust 9-9 patrol system together with the call center system, which will be integrated in the CCTV project. The call center system will be decentralized to the police station level, where members of the public in a particular locality can make a direct communication without going through the headquarters.
Mukwewozaku Hassan Kasinje aviireyo yayinonola nti basazeewo okuwandiisa emundu donadona mu iwanga nga kwotaire n'ebindi kamaala ebijookolebwa okubona nti bakendeeza emisango.
The exercise of fingerprinting started on 18th September 2018. It will cover all firearms in government, that is UPDF, UPF, Uganda Prison Service and Uganda Wildlife Authority.
Hassan Kasinje aikiriza nti ebyokwerinda bisebengereire ayi balina bye bataire mu nkola okukendeeza ku butemu obweyongeire. Minisita omubeezi ow'ensonga ed'omunda Obiga Okanya ategeezezza akakiiko nti ebyokutoola ebinkumu naddala ku bikozesebwa ebyokulwanisa nga bwe kyalambikibwa mu mawanga ag'ebuvanjuba kiri mu nkola era nga Uganda ejja kuganulwamu ino.
We got an assignment to travel to Kenya over issues of border issues, and it was a matter that could not be postponed. And by the time I rang you, I was preparing to come from Kenya, but I knew I would make it late if I arrived, and indeed I...
Bingi byogeirwa wairenga babaka banji tibabaire bamativu na nsonga abakulu bano de baviireyo babategeeza era nga babawaire sale okubona nti ensonga dino dikolebwako mu bwangu.